Good morning, Brenda's friends. Welcome to Brenda's Agendas. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you comment below where you're watching from. What state, what country. I'd be interested to know. Today's adventure is Key Biscayne National Park Visitor Center in Key Biscayne, Florida. Beautiful scenery already. What am I doing today? It's really early in the morning and I'm exhausted, so bear with me. Boat ride out to Boca Chita Key and Elliott Key. Both keys are only accessible by boat. Boat ride is $40. It's 3 hours. So today's video promises some amazing views. Hopefully some marine wildlife. Maybe an occasional tourist, who knows. National Park here is free entrance. Looks like they have a trolley. Look at these palm trees, absolutely gorgeous. This place in general is beautiful. Ample parking. So the official name is Dante Fascal Visitor Center, Biscayne National Park. I hope I didn't murder that too bad. So Visitor Center is 2 stories. Check-in is upstairs for all events. They have boat rental, canoe rental, kayak rental. There's an eco kayak paddling tour that goes out of here. The boat tour that I'm going on, they have a snorkeling tour. They have a lagoon tour. I'm pretty sure that's it. I don't know, let's go check it out. Public restrooms. It is handicap accessible. There's a ramp. Also an elevator. Pretty sure. Yes, elevator. I'm just gonna kind of walk out here so you guys can see.
And normally it takes a couple days for them to like incubate and then swarm.
But even just look at that. Some picnic tables, so you could pack a picnic and have a nice little picnic out here.
You guys ready to go?
Oh, you can start to see the people lining up for all of the boat tours that are going out today.
Ogden?
So yeah, public restrooms are right here.
Karen. All right, well, Chris and Christine, you think?
So I guess I probably need to get my behind upstairs and get checked in so the boat doesn't leave me. Upstairs, this is your view. We do have some rocking chairs where you can sit, grab a book, just stare out at the beautiful view. Also, second floor is a small little museum type thing. Park ranger on staff to answer any questions that you might have. They do have a film room, several films that you can choose from, as well as some really great dioramas. Like, check some of these out. Like, how real do they look? I'm not going to show you everything because some things you need to experience for yourself. Oh, look at that. Just amazing. And we'll walk outside because we need to get checked in for the boat tour. Hours for the visitor center are 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day today out on the water. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, don't forget, ding, 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 click the notification button. That way you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. There is, COVID restrictions. Masks are a requirement, social distancing, hand sanitizing stations are throughout the park. Water fountains are closed. So you will need to bring some bottled water. And then they have a little gift store. So all checked in for the boat ride. There are no bathrooms on the boat, so make sure you use the restroom before you get on the boat. Restrooms are super clean. There is a restroom once you get to our first stop, which is Elliott Key. But again, no restrooms on the boat, so plan accordingly. When you book the trip, you will need an email address. They will email you confirmation as well as a waiver. That waiver is required to be signed before you can board the boat. Super easy. I did it from my cell phone. Cost of this particular trip was $40. This is the boat I'll be boarding here shortly. Sunscreen's a must. It's already like 85 degrees, but super sunny. Hope there's a nice breeze on the water. I'll be like, go faster. We need a breeze. We need a breeze. Promises to be an excellent day. So boarding the boat at 9:30. We were told to be here actually at 9 o'clock to board at 9:15. So there's about a 15-minute wait. Find a shady spot. Don't stand in the sun.
Well, into the bay. And it's going to be a little bit cooler. I see I left my coffee cup sitting here, guys. Sorry about that.
So after about a 5-minute safety drill on board the boat, we, make sure where all the life jackets are, what to do in case the boat sinks, blah, blah, blah. We're underway.
Probably turning in here. I'm sure it just refueled.
She did announce that we will be going to Boca Chita Key.
Oh, okay. And that over there is the county
Look at
park.
this.
So there is
This is us just coming out of the channel. Absolutely gorgeous. Our tour guide, obviously.
You can swim. There's a little
We will be stopping at Boca Chita Key today, not Elliott Key, as well as a quick trip to the Cape Florida Lighthouse is what she just announced. Just a quick view.
We're in a boat channel, obviously, right?
In the channel.
Get all these big boats in
Absolutely
and out.
gorgeous.
Serves not only the park, but it also serves the
About 30 minutes into the boat ride, we finally broke the channel. We're into open water, heading to Boca Chita Key. Give you guys a quick look. Just how beautiful and clear the water is. You can totally see the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. Fun fact that I just learned is that the difference between an island and a key. Do you guys know what it is? Okay, I'll spoil it for you. So apparently a key is made of coral, which is biologically formed, and islands are geologically formed with vegetative state, dirt, trees. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I guess officially I live on a key, which my whole yard is nothing but coral, so I can totally see that. They say that on a clear day, you can see all the way to Miami, which I will walk over here and show you guys. It still is a little humid out, so you can just barely see it in the distance. And once that humidity blows off, you can see up to 25 miles here. After the day. Currently, the reason you can see the bottom is we're only in about 5 feet of water. But it was absolutely beautiful turquoise water. I just saw some dolphins jumping, but I couldn't get to my phone fast enough to get it for you guys. I apologize. So hopefully we'll get to see some more along the trip. It's just absolutely beautiful out here. See if I can show you guys the bottom. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's views. I didn't bring my snorkeling gear, I guess, otherwise I could have done a little bit of snorkeling while we stopped at Boca Chita Key. So just entered the channel, start checking out some of these islands.
pirate. I would certainly be remiss if I didn't send you guys home with some good pirate lore. Our pirate story starts in Africa, and it takes place during slaving days. So our pirate is Black Caesar, and Black Caesar was an African chieftain who was a clever man who was able to evade slave capture until he wasn't. Unfortunately, he was tricked, loaded on a slave ship, and bound for America. Now,
We just docked in Boca Chita Key. Fun fact, the thermostat that's actually in your house is more than likely created by Honeywell, which is the gentleman that originally owned this key. Apparently very wealthy. Built this lighthouse. It is considered an ornamental lighthouse because he built it so that he could let his friends know where to park when they came in on their yachts. Absolutely beautiful. And it is still a party key. As you can see, there are some boats coming in to party it up. There's only one modern structure on the key, and that is the bathhouse. Not everything is original. And absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to take a walk along the seawall. The tour guide on the boat mentioned that we could see sea turtles and stingrays and sharks. So maybe I'll get lucky and be able to see them. It's just gorgeous. I'm really thinking I need a boat so I can come out and party with everybody else. They did say on the boat that these are all locals that come out just to party it up. They say it gets loud and obnoxious. Party time! I'll just walk around for a minute and give you guys a little bit of a tour here. You can kind of see here. And hiking trail is what it is. If you look straight out, there is a beach which we'll walk the opposite direction and take you guys out there so that you can see that. Honestly guys, this is paradise. Man. Of course, where there's parties, there's Popo. So here they come rolling in to check things out. I guess to make sure it doesn't get too out of hand. They looked all serious. We're in Florida, for God's sakes. It can't be that bad. So after a quick stop at the room to reapply sunscreen. Just taking a stroll along the seawall. Look How gorgeous. You can see all the way to the bottom. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's walk down towards the lighthouse and see where it came from. I cannot stress this enough. If you ever get the chance to be in anywhere close to Miami, Key Largo, Homestead, Key Biscayne, I can't highly recommend enough to hop on the boat tour. It was about an hour ride out here. Lots of cool history that you'll get to learn about. Maybe catch some dolphins jumping. And then they're letting us have an hour on the key to just kind of stroll around. But honestly, I would pack a picnic lunch, bring a book. There's plenty of music already playing out here, so you don't even have to worry about that. And just find your own little spot of paradise and have a picnic lunch and enjoy the views, because they are spectacular. I was hoping we'd see a little bit of marine wildlife, but guess not. But yeah, how crystal clear this water is. And we're gonna walk around here. I'll show you the lighthouse. Again, just as a reminder, this is an ornamental lighthouse. It is not registered with Maritime. It was a fully operational lighthouse for Mr. Honeywell, who built this place as a signal to his friends coming in on their yachts, but not registered as a maritime lighthouse. So of course, once the government found out that that's what he was doing, they made him shut it down. So at this point, it just becomes an ornament, but a beautiful one nonetheless. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. There is a stingray. Let's see if I can zoom in on him a little bit. I don't know if you can see him, but he's there. Just kind of chilling, floating around. I would even pack a bathing suit or wear a bathing suit and go for a swim, have a picnic. I've not had any issues with mosquitoes or ants or anything like that and I've been walking around for now about 45 minutes. Nice breeze. It is a little warm, typical for a Florida summer day. But again, whew, I can't say it enough. Absolutely gorgeous. Maybe we'll catch some marine wildlife on the boat ride back to Biscayne National Park. Side tip. I did get a little wet on the boat coming out. It was a little choppy. We were going against the wind, so you did get a little sea spray. They do have lockers on board where they put their life jackets and they let you use them. So if you have something like a camera that you don't want to get wet, you can stow them in those cubbies and they'll stay dry. Like my hat is literally on the boat right now as I'm out here walking around. I did put my purse and phone in the locker long enough to make sure it stayed dry. There is fresh water on the boat. I brought bottled water with me because I didn't know. There are no services at all on this key. So you pack in, you pack out. It is considered national park though, so you are responsible for making sure that all of your litter gets off the key, or you can get a big fat ticket. And there's the tour boat. And I only have about 15 minutes to get back on it, and I still gotta walk all the way around. Took about 40 minutes to get back to the dock of just beautiful open water. You could see the reefs. Fun fact about reefs: Florida hosts the third largest single formation reef in the world. Gold medal, first place, belongs to the Great Barrier Reef. Sliding in with silver is Mesoamerica Reef. And coming in third is right here, what you're looking at. That was an interesting fact I learned. Again, here is the boat. Interesting. Please remember to always tip your tour guides. They do not work for the national park. They actually work for a separate nonprofit organization out of Biscayne. Website is BiscayneNationalParkInstitute.com. I will include that in the description below as well. They do have Facebook and Instagram. And that information is at Biscayne National Park Institute. So this wraps up another great trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and wait for it. Ding, ding, ding. Click the notification bell so that you're first to the know when I upload content. Absolutely amazing day today. I'm almost speechless, which is really hard because I always love to talk. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, any questions, comments, things you might want to see in the future, hit me up in the comments section. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And again, a huge, huge, huge shout out to my senior executive PR director. I couldn't do it without you, girl. None of this would be possible. None of the beauty that you saw today would have been possible had she not encouraged me. All right, friends, ta-ta for now.